Here's a little woodpecker, and he gone. Dude, come on. What are you doing? Okay. You got to get around on the other side so we can see you. And he's gone. This dude ain't going nowhere. And they're back. Look at this dude. Ooh. Come on, little woodpecker. Gone. Man, he just keeps coming back, taking off, coming back, and he gone. Get ready for that full moon tonight. Where you going? You get some water? There he is. Oh, get him, boy. Get him. Come on. And he gone. Son of a... What are these people doing? What are you two doing there? Get over there and get you some of that suet. Come on, son, get out of here. Back over there. There's a bigger one over there. Oh, he's feeding them. Yeah, okay. Comes over here. Oh, you dang mosquitoes, man. Then he goes back over there and gives it to the other one. Okay, let's see if we can show you what's going on. Do I got time here? Where is he? Come on, get him. I'm gonna run out of time. Where is he? He right there. Oh, he right there. See if there he is. No, the other one's at the Billy Barber. Comes back. There they go.